Orange lifts at the Princess Alexandra Hospital in Brisbane. Same as the blue lifts. Bit rough.
Level 1.
Of course someone's getting in.
Going up.
Going up.
Level 4. Going up.
Look, it's... The DPL buttons are so nice and satisfying to click.
Level 5.
Level 5. Fast doors.
Going up. Going down.
Big set of 4 lifts. Pretty sure it's left. The outside has the old EPL buttons with the no protruding edge, but the inside has the new ones. See, look, it has no protruding edge and more non-clicky buttons. And these ones have a protruding edge and they're clicky. These are nice compared to the ones at Wesley Hospital.
Level 1.
Which the indicator was original though. Very slow leveling for a TMS or whatever this has. It feels like you would have a TMS to me. Or a really early LCE, which I really doubt. It was definitely 90s lifts. Look at that. Jeez, it's like a freaking generic. Ooh. How is that going up? Oh, I think I got out the wrong floor. Oops. Whatever. Oh, let's get a different one down. I can get a different one. Here's the view from the 4th floor. It has to be more loose than this. It's too big. I've only filmed 3 or 4, to be honest, but whatever. How have you considered using a stairs? And I could want to film a lift. Which one will we get? The end one. Geez, this one seems to have better leveling than the other one. Opened immediately. This either has better leveling than the other one. Have a look. No, no, it doesn't have anything better. There we go.